Have you ever caught yourself admiring someone's locks and thinking, I want to start mine too, but I don't know how? If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. Starting your locks journey can feel very overwhelming. That's the reason for today's conversation. I'm here to walk you through everything you need to know before you take the first step. First things first, how to start the locks. There are different methods: twist, back comb, two strands twist, coil, crochet, and even freedom. The method you choose solely depends on your hair type, lifestyle, and how much maintenance you're comfortable with. For example, if you want neat uniform locks, you might want to start with two strands twist or comb coils. If you are into more natural, low maintenance look, then freedom might be your thing. And let's talk about when to start. Honestly, there is no perfect time. Alright, you think it, you start it, you start going. Just the right mindset, and you don't need to wait for your hair to reach a certain length. Although at least 3 to 4 inches makes things easier. What you really need is patience. Yes, you're going to need all the patience in the world to keep you going, because the locks journey is more mental than physical. Yes, it teaches you to let go of perfection. I can't emphasize this enough because I'm going through it. You know, we did not grow up into this. Okay, we are more programmed into getting to the salon, getting your braids done, getting into the salon, getting the hair relaxed, dried up in some curls, styled in a certain way, and you keep changing. However, this right here is going to teach you to just stay cool with patience and let go of perfection. And one of the most questions you'll be getting, or I also get, is where do I get it done? The good news is you have options. You just have to visit a professional loctician or a clean start, or if you are a more of DIY person, you can just start it at home. The right products and guidance. YouTube, for instance, has plenty of tutorials. I have not started locking mine yet. I have the pin, alright, but honestly I do not know how I'm going to be doing this. Although I always watch the loctician lock it, and I'm trying to see if I can get some inspiration. But if you are someone who is good at doing things by yourself, it's just a matter of getting the patterns right, how you want it, and within some good amount of hours you should be able to get going. Now let's look at how to care for your locks. This part is crucial. Although I think for me, I've not really paid attention to it, but I try to do just a little care, because since I started, I always had it in protected styles. Okay, so once I wash, dry, get in some lemon water. I also have some clove water. Basically, that's what I've been doing. I've not been putting in much oils or whatever, and I have this. So imagine that I am taking time to get the proper products, the right products, doing the maintenance routines and all that. Maybe I'll come back with the results. You still would have to wash, oil, hydrate your scalp, and basically that's what I've been doing. Retwist if you have chosen that routine, or simply separate locks to prevent them marrying if you are free forming. Choose right oils like jojoba or coconut oil and avoid heavy waxes that causes buildup. Protect your hair with satin at night. And always listen to what your hair is telling you on this journey, and you do not want anything to jeopardize the smooth process. You have to pay more attention and ensure that you are on the right track. If you've been thinking about locks but had fears or uncertainties, yes, this video is here to give you a green light. It's a journey of self-love and patience and letting go of perfection. All right, it's not too late. You are not too old and your hair is not too short. You just need to start. Yeah, if you would watch my previous videos, you would realize that I have come quite a good way. Okay, it's just been 10 months and we already like this. So just go ahead and get started. If you are someone who is extremely careful about doing things, you should research more. And videos like this, there are tons of videos here on the street YouTube to guide you, okay, and you'll be good. Thank you for watching. I'm Sarah Shika and I came here to document my Locs journey. So do well to subscribe, like, and leave your honest comment. Thank you.